What's up guys, this is Satyaki from Computer Conversation. When we talk about installing operating systems like Windows or Linux, etc. or any application, we often ask about what bit is that operating system or application, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. The concept of 32 or 64 bits may be unknown to most of you, but many people just know the fact that 64-bit is a lot faster than 32-bit. But there are some more things about this. I am going to talk about that in this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's jump straight into the video. So what exactly is 32-bit or 64-bit? I will get into this, but first let me tell you what is a bit in case you don't know. A binary digit, or shortly bit, is a digit whose combination is used to represent data in a computer. The digit value can be either 0 or 1. Every data is stored or processed or transferred in a computer based on bits. So 1 bit is the smallest unit of data which can be stored. Now 1 bit can represent two values which are 0 or 1, because a bit can be either 0 or 1 only. Similarly, 2 bits can represent 2 to the power 2, that is 4 values, which are all the possible combinations of 2 bits of zeros and ones. They are 00, 01, 10 and 11. Similarly, 3 bits can represent 2 to the power 3, that is 8 values that are all possible combinations of 3 bits of zeros and ones as shown. Like this, 32 bits can represent 2 to the power 32, that is around 4 billion values. Now, a X-bit system tells how many address bits the system uses to refer to a data at a time. So a 32-bit system uses 32-bit address at a time, and similarly 64-bit to refer to a data. Now since 32 bits can represent 2 to the power 32 values, therefore a 32-bit system can refer up to around 2 to the power 32 addresses. In today's computer, the storage devices are broken into chunks of fundamentally 1 byte of storage. So an address can refer to 1 byte of data in the storage. Therefore, in 32-bit system, 2 to the power 32 addresses can refer to 2 to the power 32 bytes, which is 4 GB of data at a time. Similarly, in 64-bit system, 2 to the power 64 addresses can refer to 2 to the power 64 bytes, which is 16 exabytes of data at a time, which is virtually infinite. Now, in order to process any data, the data is first loaded into RAM and then the data is processed by the CPU. So if your system is 32-bit, then your processor can handle only up to 4 GB of data in RAM at a time. So it may not be possible to hold enough data that the CPU needs at a time to run the computer as fast as it can. And it may happen that the extra data which was not possible to load into the RAM that the CPU could process at that time, the CPU has to do extra work by accessing the data from the slower hard drive, which eventually slow down the performance of the computer. But if your system is a 64-bit system, then your processor can handle up to 16 exabytes of RAM. So the RAM can hold a lot more amount of data than 4 GB of data. And so your CPU can now handle more data from the available RAM in your computer, making the computer a lot more faster. When talking about these things, numerous things come into picture like 32-bit OS and 64-bit CPU combination, or 32-bit and 64-bit applications, etc. If I discuss them in this video, the video will become much more longer. Therefore, I am keeping these things aside for a separate video. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and also follow us on social medias whose links are given below in the description. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.